Okay, guys, last video this week. Uh, Hopefully have a good weekend and appreciate all your hard work, guys. Okay, again, just going back over some review things. So logarithmic equations. Okay, so these are equations that have logarithms in them. Okay, remember these log things. Okay, now next week we're going to do some more of these, but here's the basic one. Now remember, I can't do anything with this inside parentheses till I get rid of the log. So once I get rid of the log 3, I can solve this 4x minus 31. So that's something for the end. So the first thing we look for, remember, is plus or minus that's not inside the parentheses, which would be the minus 19. So we're going to add 19. Okay, hopefully this is coming back to you. So I still have this 2 in front of log 3. And I still have the 4x minus 31. Negative 11 plus 19. Okay, that's 8, right? Negative 11 plus 19, 8. Okay, now remember, guys, this 2 in front, I can put a little dot there. That's a times. 2 times log 3. So now, again, I'm going to get rid of log 3 eventually, but I got to get rid of everything that's not with the log first. So I got to get rid of that 2. Okay, that 2 is multiply, so I'm going to divide. Okay, divide by 2. Okay. So now I've got log 3 of the 4x minus 31. 8 divided by 2 is obviously 4. Okay. Now, this was where we remember, hopefully, I need to cancel log 3. Once log 3 is gone, I can solve this. So the inverse, remember all this. Inverse of multiply, divide. Inverse of a negative is a positive. So the inverse of log, remember, is power 3. So 3 to the log 3 power. 3 up caret, if you wanted to say, but still that cancels. So power 3, log 3 cancel each other. But again, whatever I do to one side, I'm going to do the same here. So this is 3 up caret 4, or 3 to the 4th power. Not 3 times 4, 3 up caret 4, or 3 to the 4th power. Okay? Now again, use your Google calculator if you need to, but 3 up caret 4, I can do that one in my head. Okay, that's 81. Okay, now what's nice, guys, from here, I'm just going to solve this. So plus 31. So now that I'm done with, so the log's gone, that parenthesis can come out. Okay, get rid of minus 31 with a plus 31. Okay, I got 4x equals 81 plus 31. Okay, 122. Okay, now divide away the 4. Now remember, guys, you can get, a lot of these answers will be decimals. Okay, I think this one is a decimal. I mean, they're not crazy decimals, so 122 divided by 4. Yeah, 30.5. So 30.5. Boom. There we go. 30.5 is our answer. Okay, let's do another one together. And then you'll have one on your own. Okay. So again, there's our equation. Okay, negative 3 log 5, parenthesis 2x plus 83 plus 25 equals 16. Okay. Now, getting ahead of myself. Okay, remember, first thing we look for, this is multiply. Remember, that's a multiply step. So that's later. We're going to get rid of plus or minus first, right? Remember, we're going to get rid of this. So we're going to subtract 25 minus 25. That's our first step. So I still have negative 3 log 5 of the 2x plus 83 parentheses. Okay, that's gone. 16 minus 25. Use your calculator, you get a negative 9, right? Okay, now again, I've got to get rid of that negative 3 in front of log. Remember, that's a negative 3 times, so I'm going to divide by a negative 3. So remember, guys, if I'm getting rid of a negative 3 that's multiplied, I actually divide by a negative. So I'm going to divide the negative 3 by a negative. And I'm still going to have my log 5 of my 2x plus 83. Negative divided by a negative, positive 3, right? Positive 3. So negative 9 divided by negative 3, positive 3. Log 5 now is by itself. It's the only thing over here. So now this is where I'm going to do power 5. Boom. So now power 5, remember, so this is 5 up caret 3, or 5 to the 3 power. Now with log 5 gone right here, I can bring out the 2x plus 83. 5 up caret 3, again, use your calculator. Again, on these lower powers, I am a trained professional. I can do this in my head, but do whatever you need to do. Okay, so actually 5 to the 3rd power is 125. Okay, I have 2x plus 83, so get rid of the plus 83 with a minus 83. So 2x equals, okay, we can kind of subtract that mentally. That's 42. Okay, so this one does not turn out to be a decimal, which is okay. I think your homework problem will be a decimal. So just work it out, whatever comes out. 42 divided by 2, okay, 21, boom. No decimal, and there's our answer. Okay, so again, hopefully this is all things that you remember. Okay, we're doing some review things here, okay? So, here we go. There's the problem for your homework. Okay, negative 4 log 2 parenthesis 3x minus 11 plus 37 equals 21. Okay, solve that. Put your answer in the journal, and you're good to go. Okay, have a good weekend. We'll see you next week. Bye, guys.